last lesson we discussed about the relative positioning, and relative positioning we saw that it has got 4 sides or 4 positions, which are top, right, bottom, and left. Or you can simply say top and bottom, right and left. So let's see this in action. For example, if you see our blue div is like this. Remember, in the CSS positioning, which is relative, when you move this object, or when you move this div or this image or whichever it is to another place, let's move it to around here, that means it has left a ghost of it here, so that nothing that can come over here, because it was there. That is the major difference between the relative and the absolute, because next time we shall look at absolute positioning, and relative positioning is what we shall be what you actually use most in the coding life. Now let's see. We have 4 positioning, and if you say left 300 pixel, for example, let me say left 300 pixel and Control S to save the changes. Let's see the positioning. Let's refresh. You see? Try to see whether you can do it for top, left, right, and bottom. So when you say left, I want us to understand that very well. It is moving from the left where it was towards where it is now. From left to where it is. That is, it is like saying move from left to right. Okay? And when it comes to right, it is like saying move from where it was to right. So thank you for that. Next time, try and make practice on your own. Next time we shall continue from there. Make it go right, make it go top, make it go down or bottom. But when you say bottom, it is where it is. It is from where it is up. That is how it is. From where it is left. From where it is, that is relative position. And relative for the last thing, it means relative to the parent. For this matter, parent is this viewport, relative of the viewport, which is the screen for our matter. Now, it's goodbye, and let's meet next time when you have done enough practice and we go to the other part, which is the absolute positioning. Thank you, and meet you then.